Easy. Little maniacs. Three Stooges. Yeah, both girls, man. What are y'all doing? Easy, I like your jacket, your little snorkel, your little vest. Listen, your little vest. You got like a tutu vest? Yeah, you got like a dress in the back. That is awesome. Look at you.
Dad, could you make her zip it, please?
Look at you with your big ass mouth. Like, damn.
I'm gonna get you.
Little guy.
Oh, you're not, little sis. I'm gonna get you. I'm your big brother. Here, smell my butt. How you like that? How you like that?
That dog is awesome. When I say that's an awesome dog, I mean it. Right, DG? DG looks so funny, play fight, huh? We're gonna send this to mommy. DG. Okay, I know you wanna play. Let me stop calling you. But yeah. That's DG. See, look at her, she's upside down. With a little so cute, that dog. She's awesome. All my dogs are awesome. They're pains in the butt. Them two are pains in the butt, though. But DG is the coolest. I love them all, though. They all get equally spoiled. But DG is something special. She's the calmest when it comes to all of them. It's easy to pet her. She'll stay next to you. You can carry her all day, and she'll let you carry her. Won't try to wiggle out your arms. Won't, scratch you up. Not like these two guys. She's not as nervous as them. Because if you know about the breed, chihuahuas are very nervous dogs, man. And I don't know what's up with that, man. Because those are girls. The only boy is him, the black and white one. I don't know.
Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad. I want to play. What was that? Did you hear that?
I'll go out in the snow. We're going to go in the snow in a minute, okay? We'll play in the snow. I know you love the snow.
Okay. Yes, you know I love playing. Come on, let's play. Let's play.
Just for a second.
Hey.
Hold it, girl. What you doing?
Come on, hold it tighter.
All right, well, you ain't trying to play. You're not really holding it.
Dad!
Yes?